example, is I say that this much gram per kilogram. Okay, so that has to be linked to some standard system. So that, see, there it comes. For example, if the value which I want to measure is the bull eye of this one, in the 100 time or any number of time, you are precisely measuring the wrong data, but actual data is not coming. So for the actual data, true data, close to this value, the parameter which you are going to measure has to be traceable, are now based on the physical constant. If we talk about the complete meter, kilogram, second, candela, mole, and then ampere, current, when these are all based on the physical constant, that we call them the natural numbers. Mass standard, Newton per meter square. When then that ultimately
Drinking water are being checked by using certified reference materials, and in NPL we are developing lot of certified reference material in the name of BNDs, that is the Bharatiya Nirdesh Dravya. We are preparing this pH, we are validating this pH standard along with this elemental standard, and also we are working on development of rice BNDs.
Breath alcohol analyzer is widely used throughout the country. Traffic policemen usually uses it to see the alcohol content in the driver. NPL is concerned with the test result reliability and produces various alcohol standards which are calibrated with the SI unit traceable standards, aqueous alcohol standards.
उमंग है, हम नई उमंग है, नई उमंग है, हम नई उमंग है। हम रहे नई सीख से बेहतर हम बने, हम भारत पेट्रोलियम है। नई सुरक्षित हमारा हर कदम, हम नई सोच का दर्पण, विश्वास की हम पहचान है, करते मुश्किल आसान है, हम हर पल सबके संग है।
Ashvi Technology LLP Ahmedabad, producer of certified reference material AQCRM known as BND, Bharatiya Nirdesh Dravya, under the technology support and traceability established to SI unit by CSIR NPL NMI of India. Commitment to quality is demonstrated by ISO 17033 pre-producing BND. We track the progress technical team with the supporting high standard for production of
We are producing with rigorous quality control at each stage.
BNDs are very generic in nature, which are used in food, pharma, water, and environmental industries.
ATL has produced BND for education purposes at a very low cost, which are launched by Dr. D.K. Aswal, Director CSIR NPL on 18th August 2020.
Worldwide, uniformity test result with high confidence level, quality of life and living standards.
Our commitment to quality that uphold ATL credibility.
Global PT hardness test block set the standard for the industry and are made from the highest quality of material to ensure the most uniform and repeatable test block. Hardness blocks are used for periodic verification of machines. It is almost used by all metal industry like automobile, metallurgical, steel, railway, defense and aerospace. Minimum 50,000 blocks are required every year. The cost of importing these blocks is approximately 10 Cr. The production cost for manufacturing these blocks is only 1.5 Cr in India. Process of preparing the hardness blocks consists of 5 stages: cold cutting, machining, heat treatment, grinding and polishing. Of values is done as per ISO 17034.
The availability of SI traceable BNDs will bring boost to Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat programs and harmonize the quality infrastructure of the country. These BNDs will play a big role in boosting of exports as manufacturers as well as import various cement plants and construction industries to ensure quality. धन्यवाद. जय हिंद.